Hey guys, welcome to Second Channel guys. So guys, I'm discuss one of the important topic is called YouTube Outstream mobile ad. So first of all, what is mean by Outstream ad? First of all, how it is work? Outstream videos are mobile only ads that appear on partner sites and apps outside of the YouTube, playing in other an app or within the content on the page. So this is mainly focused by the in a particular options. Now, how will be creating for Outstream video ads? Before that, who will be watch this video? Please subscribe my channel. And one more thing, you can ask me any comment or your questions. Please ask me, and please watch video entire. You can ask me the comment. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Most of the people ask you questions. If any language required, you can ask me the comment box. If anything I'm not missing your comment, you have re-comment me. I definitely will be support how is happening for your particular channel. So now is coming to this. Go to the campaign. There's a new campaign will be select. In this new campaign, where you can selecting outstream. Most of the brand awareness, product reach, website traffic, anything that's going to video is a drive conversion. If you go into leads, is going to the drive conversion. Which is the outstream? Outstream will be supporting for product and burn consideration, awareness and reach. That is mean by will go option will be outstream ads. Reach people on their phone and tablet using VCPM bidding with outstream ads. VCPM nothing but views, the CP nothing but cost per mile. Mile nothing but 1,000 impressions. So now we can start ad. Select option. So my account will be right now is a whole. I'll show this will be your supporting purpose. How we'll be creating this option. Any further inquiry, you can ask me channel, and don't forget your comment. Any question about the ad, I'll give the complete option. So here is selecting campaign will be campaign total and daily. Daily I'm selecting for 1500. I'm not mentioned by end date. The reason is called anytime I can run the ad, anytime will be show my ad, or anytime will be pause and start. Here video partner. This video not showing for video partner on the display network. YouTube not yet available. So this will be not showing for display network for the video partner sites. So location, I'm selecting total India my will be showing, and language, all language. This will be standard inventory. I don't have this option. Next will be start your groups. So most of the people's major one, what is this budget will be selecting, sir? What are the options are important in your campaign? That all will be showing for in the right side corner. What is the video ad format? The ad format will be strategy, and what is the every option will be here. The complete format will be here. Outstream and brand awareness and reach. I have reached my brand to the engage my customers. Next, my campaign, selecting my age people. What are the age group you can select will be here. Here only household sharing, and what are the options are here. Only certain countries will be applicable in your option. So next, audience selection. In this audience selection, if you're selecting for exact Amazon customer, your ad will be selecting for Amazon customer. We can selecting for Amazon customer also will be here. Amazon Prime Day, Prime Deal, everything. So here option will be. So that is nothing but see. Select audience to define who should see your ad. You can create new audience manager. So in this one future, we can target for Amazon website, Amazon business account. These all options, Amazon Prime member. These all options are will given in a particular options. So this option will be given to target the Amazon customer. Next, keyword selection. Next, topic selection, education, job, entertainment. Lot of options are there. Suppose I'm given by education. In education, lot of options are there. What are the options? Education, internship, job. What are the purpose you're creating ad? That all option. Education. What are the education? Academic, college, computer, distance learning. So there are a lot of options. Depend on select here. Suppose I'm not selecting any option. Go with the complete topic option. So after this one, placement. This always I'm discuss. Sir, this video is targeted for YouTube channel or anything. But in this outstream ad, we target only placement will be website, apps, app category. I'm getting nothing but Google Play Store, Windows phone apps, and Apple Play Store. The certain application will be categories are there. That is why we're selecting for categories. Google Play Store 56 categories, App Play Store 86 categories, and you can target by your any apps will be here. Search app, the app will be visible. We can target by the particular category. In this particular house stream, we can't selecting by YouTube channel video. We can't will be target here. Only we target website, apps categories. This is a major key point and you keep it in mind. Outstream ad will be mobile device and tablet purpose. This will be not target YouTube channel and YouTube videos. They target only website, app categories. Next, select your budget. CPM, the minimum budget you're selecting for, they will start your reach into the right side, your particular impression and every option will be here. Final one, you will be select the your particular video. So that video will be here. So I am selecting my video, just only on sample video I'm select here, just will be post on this option. This is only for mobile device in a particular option. So here is the all option will be here. See this one. Outstream, headline, description, call to action, subscribe channel, logo. It will be compulsory required will be option. So logo purpose, choose your logo and what are the logo will be here and update the logo will be here. Next, add your description and headline. Just I'm writing for this one. This simple option will be writing here. Subscribe. So image incorrect dimension here. Pixel have aspecting ratio at least 1 is to 4 or more 4 is to 1. So select here. What are the image will be suitable? You can selecting will be options are here. So what a size will be required? Setting for 1 is to 4 and 4 is to 1. Selecting will be final URL. I'll have discussed previous video that the URL will be always showing to customer to subscribe our channel wise. To subscribe our channel wise. So here is the option. So one is pending. So what is the 4 is to 1 ratio and 1 is to 4 ratio? Select 1 is to 4 ratio in pixel. So these are the ratios will be pixel in into a options. Height and width, everything will be here in a particular option. So select your logo will be here. Finally, create your campaign based on the video. They show you impression. This is how stream will be suitable for exactly your budget and impression will be shown. They can't give the views clicks. They give only for impression. That is mean by every CPM cost per thousand impression, it will be charge your budget. Finally, your create your campaign option. In the major one is call your channel URL, choose image, call to action, your selecting screen and your bidding price and your select your placement only three placement website app and app category and audience selection. In this audience selection we can target for Amazon website and Amazon prime holder also. Next will be keyword topics. These all option will be great. Finally you creating the your particular option will be create the campaign. So this is the option you will be select to create ad on your Google AdWords. The option name is called Outstream ad. The suitable only for mobile device. Follow these instructions, create your ad. Any doubts will be there to ask my channel. I definitely will be support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.